Soulful Cooking. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. Who likes cheesecake? Most of us, right? Especially the kids who are craving for having good desserts during the lockdown. But unfortunately, getting them from the market was impossible. And making a cheesecake at home here in India turns out to be extremely expensive because of the price of cheeses involved. Either the cream cheese or the mascarpone cheese are extremely expensive to source here in India. So I figured out a way to make a no-bake cheesecake out of paneer or the cottage cheese. The paneer could be either homemade or you could buy malai paneer from the market. Either ways, it turns out to be much more economical than buying a cheesecake or making a cheesecake at home. Not only that, it tastes even more delicious than the original cheesecake. Please don't forget that you learned this recipe from my channel. So let's get cooking. We need 300 grams of malai paneer or cottage cheese. This could be either made from full cream milk at home or you could buy it from the market, but make sure that it's a fresh and soft version, otherwise it doesn't give you that perfect taste. 15 grams of melted butter, 5 tablespoons of condensed milk, 100 grams of Nutella. Now the quantities of Nutella and condensed milk will depend on the quality of your paneer, because paneer has its own sweetness, so it will depend on how sweet your paneer is. 7 Marie biscuits or graham crackers. For garnishing, I have used a little bit of dark chocolate and some chocolate sticks which I had, but these are optional. Start by crushing Marie biscuits in a grinder. Mix the crushed biscuits with melted butter. Mix this well. Now layer the container in which you'll be setting your cheesecake. I'm using shot glasses. Make a thin layer of this at the bottom. Once you're done filling all the glasses, you can set this in the refrigerator until you make your mixture for the cheesecake. Use either a food processor or a blender to grind together paneer or the cottage cheese, condensed milk and Nutella into a fine paste. I had to divide the paneer into 2 batches to make the paste because my grinder was small. Line a plastic bag in a cup like so. Now fill your paneer mixture in this plastic bag. We are going to make a homemade piping bag. Cut the edge of this piping bag. Now squeeze in the mixture of your cheesecake into your shot glasses. This quantity was able to give me 8 shots. Garnish this with some chocolate shavings or chocolate sticks. Refrigerate this for at least 2 hours before you serve. I spent approximately 350 Indian rupees, which is less than $5 US, to make 8 shots. Can't wait to taste. Paneer makes it so delicious, you will not even know this is paneer, because it absorbs the flavors of the condensed milk and hazelnut spread so very well that you just don't come to know this is paneer. And it's even better than the authentic traditional cheesecake. You must try. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and kindly hit the like button if you like this video.